Alright, welcome back to the channel. Just took off the toolbox yesterday and put on this new roll bar last night. I actually, back in 2023, I had this on my black 2000 4x4 Silverado 5.3, but since I customized the back seat for my tools and whatnot, decided I don't want a toolbox anymore. So for now, went back with another roll bar. I'm going to put some LED lights up top, get some bright little fuckers up there, and then gonna do some strip light maybe up underneath right here that I can control by remote. And then these lights here are solar powered. They light up blue. Same with the blue truck. Look really cool at night. So anyway, yeah, I got this off Amazon. I've had this bar before. I do like the bar, so give it that little Baja sport truck look. So I'm gonna put my stank on it, I should say, like Danny Coker would say. Counts Customs, but basically, yeah. Now, just over 2 years ago, when I bought this and was coming back from Indiana, I was driving this. My son was driving this truck on 74, coming back from purchasing the Trans Am. So, but the other day I got it in my head, fuck it, removed the toolbox, put this on. So I don't think there's really any SS trucks out there that have got a roll bar, so I might end up doing the same thing to the blue truck, since I've customized the back seat on that one. Nobody sits in the back seats of these trucks, so therefore I took out the perfect condition leather back seats. I've got them for sale on Marketplace. I do not intend on selling these trucks nor putting those seats back in, and so that's the reason for customizing the back seats. So let's just open it up real quick here. Basically, got my 212s, my MTX Terminators. Basically built me a platform. I can slide my screws and hardware, all of that right there, and then put me some carpet in the back. I got to put the trim piece back on to cover those. And I got lights up underneath the up underneath here to illuminate it at night. So it's winter time here in Cincinnati, so I will do my finishing touches on it in the spring once it warms up. So I don't know what I'm going to do around the perimeter. I'm not really too concerned. I mean, it is what it is. It holds tools. Watch out. Oh yeah. Luke. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. More videos coming. Thanks for watching.